everyone, I'm Elisa.
I'm Magic.
I'm Madison. Come walk with us on a tour of Los Angeles.
I can't believe we're finally here. Look at the Ferris wheel.
It's gorgeous. We have to go on that first.
Wow, we are really high up. I'm kind of scared. Look at the beach, though. We have to go swimming right after this.
I agree. It looks perfect down there.
Woo! Oh my God, this is so fast. Woo! I love it.
That one is amazing.
We look so good.
Definitely posting this one. This is the perfect day for the beach.
I know, the water looks amazing.
Yeah. Let's hurry up and get changed so we can jump in.
Wait, did you check your bag? You always do that.
They're probably on your head right now, look. And then she completely fell off the paddleboard right into the water.
Oh my God, that is hilarious. I wish I saw that.
She totally deserved it though.
The water feels amazing.
Yeah.
It's deeper than I thought, though. Let's keep going out further.
Come on, let's go.
It feels so good.
The waves are perfect.
And then he completely wiped out.
Oh my God, seriously.
That is the funniest thing I've heard all week.
I cannot believe you actually jumped in.
It was so refreshing. We have to come back tomorrow.
Absolutely, but first I am starving. What looks good? I think I'm gonna get the Baja shrimp. Ooh, I might get the same. Baja shrimp and a water, please.
Yeah.
Quesadillas and a Coca-Cola. Chicken tacos and a water.
This taco is amazing. I know, right? The sauce is incredible.
We should definitely come back here tomorrow.
This weather is absolutely perfect.
I know, I could stay here all day.
We should definitely come back next weekend.
Okay, I think I got it.
Oh wow, let me see. That turned out really well.
We should tag the artist if we can find him.
Oh my gosh, look at this one. We look amazing.
Send it to me right now.
Wow, you're huge. Oh my God. Oh my God, you're huge.
Should we check out the H&M first?
Yeah, I need a new top.
I want to look in the Apple store too. That dress is absolutely gorgeous. You have to try it on.
I love it.
I love it. It would look so good on you. Look how busy it is. I hope they have the new sweatshirts in stock. What do you guys think of this one?
Yeah.
That's actually really cute. The white looks good.
Yeah, I like it. Is it soft?
Hi, I'm Alyssa. Welcome to my life.
And then I told her that I already dropped the glass.
You did not. That is hilarious.
We should totally go to Westwood later and celebrate.
Hi, I'm Magic. Welcome to my life. Hola, soy Magic. Bienvenidos a mi vida.
Time some Boca here.
Hi, I'm Madison. Welcome to my life.
I cannot believe he said that in class yesterday. Right? I was trying so hard not to laugh. Oh my God, me too. He is hilarious.
Oh, look at that dress in the window.
Which one?
The pink one. It's stunning.
Look at that bag in the window.
Yeah. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. Which store is that?
It looks like Fendi.
The house special is filet mignon, jumbo shrimp, and pasta.
Okay, we'll take that.
Enjoy your meal.
Wow, that looks incredible.
I know, I'm starving. Let's dig in.
And then he said he didn't even know she was seeing someone.
Stop it, that is absolutely crazy. I can't believe he actually admitted that.
I've seen you in so many movies. Thanks for taking a photo with us.
Oh my goodness, the sunglasses. That looks incredible. Look at that. We look incredible. I can't believe this is actually happening. We're on the big screen.
This is the best day of my life.
Oh my gosh, it's changing again.
This is mesmerizing. I can't look away. Let's go!
I told you she was gonna trip.
Oh my God, her shoes were completely untied.
That was the funniest thing I've seen all week.
The view is incredible from up here.
Look at the observatory lit up against the sunset.
We should hurry and get closer before it sets completely.
Look at the colors in that nebula.
It's breathtaking, isn't it?
I wonder how far away it is. It's incredible to think about how far they can see with this.
I know, it really puts things in perspective.
What a wonderful day this was.